Yes, and start. Shri Surendranath Tripathi, Learned Counsel for the Appellant, made twofold submissions. Stop. His first submission is that the two kids, namely Khalil Ahmed and Vakil Ahmed, were close to Vijay Malhotra and they willingly left their house with rupees 33,000 which they took from the shop of his father for their enjoyment. Stop. Only one of the alleged victims, namely Khalil Ahmed, was examined. Stop. The other victim, Vakil Ahmed, who was stated to be of 9 years, was not examined. Stop. As per the story narrated by Khalil Ahmed, that he along with his brother left the house with Vijay Malhotra. Stop. They went straight to Rampur by bus which they boarded from ISBT Ajmeri Gate. Stop. They reached Rampur at about 6:30 am and stayed at the house of Vijay Malhotra till they were recovered on 8/1/2007. Pehra. Learned Counsel for the Appellant further submitted that the informant stated in the first information report lodged on 9/1/2007 and in his statement on oath recorded on 23/5/2008 that the phone number which appeared on the mobile of Abid and on which he had talked with Vijay Malhotra was of Rudrapur. Stop. Whereas both the kids went to Rampur and were recovered along with the appellant from his house at village Kida, district Rampur. Stop. Thus, there is no connecting link of Vijay Malhotra having called for ransom from Rudrapur, which is in the state of Uttaranchal. Stop. Khalil Ahmed, who was aged about 17 years bracket start when statement was recorded on 2/6/2008, had stated that he along with his brother went straight to Rampur by bus with Vijay Malhotra. Pehra. Learned Counsel for the Appellant submits that prosecution story of demand of ransom remained unfolded for the reason that the investigating officer did not investigate the phone call details which were mentioned in the first information report lodged by Jamil Ahmed. Stop. The investigating officer Malkhan Singh PW7 had submitted in his cross examination that he did not find it necessary to investigate the phone number from which the alleged demand of ransom was made by Vijay Malhotra. Pehra. Further, the statement of PW2 was that the STD number which appeared on the mobile of Abid and on which he called back was of Rudrapur, whereas Vijay Malhotra went to village Kira, district Rampur along with the kids as per the statement of PW3 Khalil Ahmed. Stop. He further submits that the claim of circumstances as culled out from the statement of PW2 Jamil Ahmed, PW3 Khalil Ahmed and PW7 Malkhan Singh creates a reasonable doubt about the prosecution story of the kidnapping of two kids and demand for ransom. Stop.